In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with credit card. So in order to buy crypto with credit card, all you have to do is log in into your cryptocurrency app. You can use any of these apps, whichever is convenient for you. In my case, I'm using Binance. So once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So under it, you'll be able to find an option as credit card / debit card. If you're unable to find this option, then what you can do is you can simply select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy and enter in the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. After that, while on the payment method, you can simply select credit card, and that's basically how you can use credit card. But in my case, I'm gonna use a Binance. Once you select credit card / debit card, so after that you need to select the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. So click on buy crypto, located right on top. Next page, you need to select what you actually want to buy as a cryptocurrency. So select the cryptocurrency accordingly. So here you need to enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to buy. Enter in the amount and click the continue button located right in the corner. Next, you'll have to add the payment method. To enter in the amount, you need to select the payment method and click the continue button or confirm button located right at the bottom. Next page, you need to enter in the first and the last name, enter the card information and then the expiry date and a CVV code. Once done, click the next button. On the other interface, there will be some sort of review, so go through it all. If you're sure about it, then click the confirm button located right at the bottom. Now that you've successfully bought crypto using your credit card. In this way, you can buy crypto with credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.